Alrighty, everybody, welcome back. It's old boy Raging Cajun. Yeah, I know. It's Easter weekend. We're sitting for the weekend because of the holidays. So, we were able to drop the trailer and go to one of the favorite stores anyway. Old Harbor Freight. Bought a few things. I'm going to show y'all here in a minute. I'm going to get the camera set back up and we'll be right back with you. Alrighty. Well, one of the first things I bought was the Icon Professional Scraper Set. Comes with 10 extra blades. Nice little tool to have. It does have the Ergo grip with the Icon logo. If you got some hard to reach areas, or if you can't stand on something, you need an extra long scraper, why not go with the Icon scraper? It is made in Taiwan, designed in the USA, manufactured in Taiwan. Item number 57099. Does have a lifetime guarantee. Thumb screw securely locks blade in place and allows for a fast and convenient blade changing. Got the long steel shaft for strength, durability, and extended reach. Safe to use on glass, metals, tile, and hard surfaces. Again, it does have the Ergo grip, comfort grip, reduces hand fatigue and maximizes control and comfort. But not a bad little thing. Not a bad little thing at all. Y'all looking for a good little scraper? Go over and check out Harbor Freight on the Icon line, the professional scraper set. We'll give this thing some use, and we'll do further reviews on it as time goes by. That wasn't the only thing I bought. I got the 1/2 inch and I've got the 3/8 style ratchet in this type of ratchet. I did buy the Icon Professional Ratchet Flex Head 90 tooth quarter drive ratchet. Hang on, I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, welcome back. I had to readjust the camera. But this is, again, the Flex Head 90 tooth quarter inch drive Flex Head by Icon. It does have the old red handle. Item number is 64693. Designed in the USA, but manufactured in Taiwan. Lifetime guarantee. It is a 90 tooth gear to gear mechanism. Produces a tight 4-inch arc swing for easy work in small spaces. It does have polished chrome finish, offers superior corrosion resistance, and easily wipes clean. It does have a low profile 180-degree flex head that allows access to most difficult to reach areas. Fasteners. It does have the comfort grip design for reduced hand fatigue with a non-slip grip. Again, the part number on that is 64693. You can find this little booger right here at Harbor Freight for $39.99. Does come with all your Icon ratchets will come with a polishing cloth. And look at this little thing. A little bitty ratchet, but hey. Doesn't feel like it's got much back drag on it at all. It is the flex head. But for the jobs you need it to do, it will do those jobs. It does have the correct on and off angles. But hey, these are good little ratchets. I do have the 1/2 inch and the 3/8 ratchet in this style ratchet. Same flex head, same comfort grip handle. It does come in this little nifty storage case, but it won't stay in the storage case. It'll go in something into my tool drawer whenever I get it home. But if you're looking for some good little tools, a small tool haul, I encourage you to go over to Harbor Freight and check them out. Be right back with you. But that's going to end today's video. A little bit of tool haul for you, a little bit of video. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. And make sure you also ring that bell. Turn on all notifications. And if you like this video, go ahead, torque that like button for me. Why not? And if you know somebody that's looking for some good tools and they're not sure what to buy, hey, share my videos out to them. Let them subscribe to the channel too. More subscribers, the better. But like I always say, y'all have a great weekend. Happy Easter. And like I always say, y'all keep those wheels spinning, your beavers grinning. And Raging Cajun will catch you on the next one. Peace out.